Model, 2012 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti 113 long wheelbase, lovely roof rack, cold sweat, smile, spares OR repairs, perfect for breakers. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 132095. Engine, 1995 CCM9RA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner, bottom end is knocking, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.